Hello friends and welcome to your channel Programming Fever. In this video I will show you how you can download CamScanner clone source code from my website ProgrammingFever.in. So first open ProgrammingFever.in. After that click on this post. After that you can find this link. Click on this and it will redirect you to this link. And after that you have to click on I am not a robot. You have to verify that you are a human. Click on this traffic light, verify, click here to continue. This will open 3 to 4 ads. You have to click again and again. Click again, and after this it will open this page. You have to scroll up and down for minimum 30 seconds, then it will automatically start its countdown 5 4 3 2 1. Then you will get a link to download source code. So you can see here it is start, and we get the link. Click on this, click on this again, click on this again, and you will see that we can get this link to download our source code. Now click on this button to download. Click on this download anyway, and it will download our source code. After that open this link. After that click here and extract file. Use the password, extract file here, and use the password cam05 to open this file. And you can set up this code in your Android Studio. So if you want to learn how this code is written step by step, whole process I explain in these videos, you can watch these videos to learn how this CamScanner work and how I make this CamScanner app with the help of AWS, Android Studio, using the REST API and all. So if this video helps you, then subscribe our channel and like this video and press the bell icon for the future updates.